Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed, as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a 2008 Biesse Comil Performer TP automatic feed-through case clamp. This is a clean, well-maintained, hard-to-find Comil TP clamp with a 12 to 49-inch working height, a 9.8 to 116-inch working length, and a 7.1 to 39-inch working width. Those are your minimums and maximums. Max beam and conveyor speeds of up to 53 feet per minute. The clamp conveyor is 200 inches long, while the in-feed conveyor measures 125 inches long, and both have just been replaced. The current conveyor height sits just at 27 inches and is adjustable. You are also going to get a full set of manuals. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.